Hey, to change language of your Windows 11 PC, all you have to do is just to click on the start in the taskbar, then go to the settings, and now move into the left side, select time and the language. Now go into the language and the region, and as you can see in my case, I've got the English language, but let's switch, for example, to the Polish. So we have to click to add preferred languages. So click to add language, and from here, search the language that you want to add. So as I said, I'm gonna set Polish, so I have to click on it with the left mouse button and then click next. From here, I can select or unselect optional language features. So in my case, I'm gonna actually pick this one, language preferences to set as my Windows display language. So click to install. And now if you have any issue with downloading this language pack, there's like big chance that you've got enabled metered connection. So to turn it off, you will have to go into the network and the internet on the left side, then go to the Ethernet or Wi-Fi. In my case, I'm connected to the Ethernet, and just turn off this connection. So as default, it will be turned on probably, but you will have to click and turn it off. And after this, you will actually get the download for all of your languages pack. And to finish, just be sure that you set Polish right here. I mean, the language that you want to change, in my case, Polish. Additionally, you can also change the region to the Polish, and after this, you can sign out to display your Windows in this language that you actually want to. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.